The year 2011 celebrates the International Year of Chemistry. Here, at the University of KwaZulu-Natal, we function at the cutting edge of international research efforts to solve global problems. Our scientists aim to improve the quality of human life into the future. We would like to share with you 3 groundbreaking research projects being undertaken by UKZN scientists. The first 2 involve revolutionary research by our chemists into new drug development. In South Africa, traditional healers have long turned to multi-plants for their healing properties. The potential for natural product development within South Africa is therefore huge. Researchers at UKZN are investigating a number of indigenous medicinal plants to look at their potential commercial use in treating serious illnesses such as cancer, malaria, HIV/AIDS, and TB.
Sanibonani, ngifuna kunitshengisa ukuthi senzani lapho umsebenzi. I've been in this occupation of trying to find out what the indigenous plants, the multi-plants as we call them, contain, which can possibly be used for medicinal purposes and so on. And what I've got here in front of me is a collection of new plants which have been described in the literature. Sometimes they are part of the indigenous knowledge which we have, and I'm trying to see whether they contain any useful compounds.
Cancer is a major killer. An estimated 12.7 million cancer cases and 7.6 million cancer-related deaths were reported worldwide in 2008. At the University of KwaZulu-Natal, Professor Ord Monroe and his team of scientists, in collaboration with Outech Biomed, are involved in groundbreaking research into new metal-based anti-cancer drugs. Anti-cancer drug research at UKZN is the leading drug discovery program in the field in South Africa, and it is both internationally recognized and of national importance.
So we're very hopeful that with time we'll bring about a brand new discovery in the field of cancer medicine, and we hope to bring relief to patients who are actually suffering from this dread disease.
The creation of renewable energy resources is an issue of global importance. South Africa is faced with a high electricity demand. However, most power stations in South Africa rely on coal, oil, or natural gas, which increases the amount of carbon dioxide in the air and contributes to global warming and climate change. It is vital that as a country, we invest in greener and more sustainable energy sources. A group of scientists are focusing on developing new and sustainable sources of energy production for South Africa. Their research involves nanotechnology, or manipulating matter on an atomic and molecular scale. As the computer revolutionized the last decades of the 20th century, is nanotechnology being hailed as the new breakthrough of the 21st century.
Currently, we are using a lot of carbon-based fuels. That's, for example, oil mixed from petroleum or coal, which is common in South Africa. Both in these cases, they're actually non-renewable resources. They can deplete, but apart from that, they're also not very healthy for our environment. We are looking at research of how to actually make carbon nanomaterials, which will be used as a part of the solar cells, where carbon nanomaterials have been known to be good conductors or semiconductors for electricity.
The International Year of Chemistry aims to increase public appreciation of the role of chemistry in meeting world needs. Innovative research by UKZN scientists continually contributes to international advances in sustainable energy production and dependable medicine. The University of KwaZulu-Natal celebrates chemistry, our life, our future.